Imagine if you could create a robot from scratch in seconds, without any human intervention or guidance. What would it look like? How would it behave? What would it be capable of? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. A team of researchers from Cornell University have developed a new artificial intelligence system that can do just that. This AI system can generate novel and diverse robots that can walk on a flat surface using only a computer and a simulator. Some of these robots look like animals or machines that we have seen before, such as spiders, snakes, or cars. But some of these robots look nothing like any animal or machine that we have ever seen before. For example, one of these robots is small, squishy, and has holes in it. It walks by spasming when filled with air. Another one of these robots is long, thin, and has spikes on it. It moves by curling up and rolling on its spikes. How did the AI system come up with these designs? How do they work? And what are the implications and future directions of this research? In this video, we will answer these questions and more. We will explain how this AI system works, what are its advantages and limitations, and what are the potential impact and consequences of this research on science, technology, society, and ethics. So stay tuned and get ready to be amazed by the power and creativity of AI. The AI system that can design robots from scratch in seconds consists of three main components: a generative adversarial network, a simulator, and a controller. A GAN is a type of neural network that can generate new data or images based on existing data or images. It has two parts, a generator and a discriminator. The generator tries to create new images that look realistic, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between real and fake images. They compete with each other and learn from their mistakes until they reach a point where the generator can fool the discriminator most of the time. In this case, the generator can create realistic-looking images of robots. The simulator is a software tool that can test how the robots created by the generator would behave in a virtual environment. It can measure various aspects of the robot's performance, such as speed, stability, energy efficiency, and robustness. It can also apply different types of perturbations or disturbances to the robot, such as noise, friction, gravity, or obstacles. The simulator can then provide feedback to the generator on how well the robot performed in the simulation. The controller is another neural network that can control the robot's movements and actions based on its sensors and actuators. It can learn from its own experience and adjust its parameters to optimize the robot's performance. It can also communicate with the generator and the simulator to receive information and instructions. Using this AI system, the researchers were able to create hundreds of different robots in seconds. Some of these robots looked like animals or machines that humans had seen before, such as spiders, snakes, or cars. However, some of these robots looked nothing like any animal or machine that humans have ever seen before. For example, one of these robots was small, squishy, and had holes in it. It walked by spasming when filled with air. Another one of these robots was long, thin, and had spikes on it. It moved by curling up and rolling on its spikes. These robots are not only fascinating to look at, but also amazing to watch in action. The AI system that can design robots from scratch in seconds has several advantages over other methods or approaches for designing robots. One of these advantages is that the AI system can generate new possibilities and paths that humans have never considered before. The AI system can create robots that are novel, diverse, and unconventional. These robots can potentially perform better or differently than the robots that humans have designed or imagined. For example, the robot that walked by spasming when filled with air was more energy efficient and robust than the robot that walked by using legs. The robot that moved by curling up and rolling on its spikes was faster and more agile than the robot that moved by using wheels. Another advantage of the AI system is that it can design robots in seconds, which is much faster than the time it takes for humans to design robots manually or using other tools. It can also design robots without any human intervention or guidance, which reduces the need for human expertise and labor. However, the AI system also has some limitations and challenges that need to be addressed. One of these limitations is that it can only create images of robots, not physical robots. These images may not be feasible or realistic to build or operate in the real world. For example, some of the robots created by the AI system may have shapes, sizes, materials, or mechanisms that are impossible or impractical to manufacture or maintain. Some of the robots created may also have sensors, actuators, or controllers that are incompatible or unreliable in the real world. Therefore, the AI system needs to be integrated with other tools or methods that can translate the images of robots into physical robots. Another limitation of the AI system is that it may not be able to explain or justify its design choices or decisions. The AI system may not be able to provide any rationale or reasoning behind why it created a certain robot, or why it modified its design based on the feedback from the simulator. It may also not be able to provide any evidence or proof that its design is optimal or superior to other designs. Therefore, it needs to be complemented with other tools or methods that can provide transparency and accountability for its design process and outcomes. This research has significant implications and future directions for science, technology, society, and ethics. One of these implications is that this research opens up new horizons and frontiers for exploring the potential of artificial life, which is a field of study that aims to understand and create lifelike systems using artificial means, such as computers, robots, or chemicals. By using this AI system to design robots from scratch in seconds, researchers can create artificial life forms that are novel, diverse, and unconventional. These artificial life forms can potentially exhibit behaviors and properties that are similar or different from natural life forms, such as adaptation, evolution, reproduction, intelligence, and consciousness. Another implication of this research is that it raises new questions and challenges for society and ethics. By using this AI system to design robots from scratch in seconds, researchers can create robots that are autonomous, self-organizing, and self-improving. These robots can potentially interact with humans and other robots in complex and unpredictable ways. These robots can also potentially affect humans and other living beings in positive or negative ways. Therefore, society and ethics need to address issues such as how to regulate, monitor, control, or collaborate with these robots, how to ensure their safety, security, privacy, or accountability, how to respect their rights, responsibilities, or values, and how to balance their benefits and risks. This research also has many possible extensions and applications in other domains or fields. For example, this research could be applied to design robots for various purposes and functions, such as exploration, entertainment, education, healthcare, agriculture, industry, military, or art. This research could also be applied to design other types of systems or structures besides robots, such as buildings, vehicles, machines, or devices. This research could also be applied to inspire new ideas or solutions for other problems or challenges in science, technology, or society. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and interesting. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about this AI system and the robots that it created. Do you like them or not? Do you find them fascinating or frightening? Do you have any questions or suggestions for us? We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.